so I didn't really have any room in here, or it's just way too thick. So I'm trying it out here. I had to take off the light. I'm gonna put the light somewhere else, but there's the way that I'm mounting it, you know, crisscross. Okay, here's a super rookie mistake. Like, you see these things, they should be the other way around. Like, let me show you. Like, this thing right here, okay, you want to click it, but you know, you want to start like this. You don't want to start like this. So that's what I did. Rookie mistake. Alrighty, so watch out when you're mounting this first time. Okay, so it's definitely holding up a good amount of time. You know, like, I left with about, let's say 15% battery, like 12. You see, this is, now it's going to like sleep mode, you know, battery saver mode, that's what it's called. Check out the cat chilling out there.